Hey, it's Lisa. I'm at HEB and I have 5 healthy hacks that have to do with one of your weekly chores. They will save you time, money, and can even help you reach your goals. It's all about grocery shopping. Before I get into it, let me introduce myself if you don't already know me. I'm Lisa Grace Wright from Your Personal Best Training Studio, and my team and I help men and women over 50 years old to age actively, able to do all the things they love to do now and for the rest of their lives. Okay, so I'm going to skip the obvious tips like making a list, shopping the perimeter of the store, and eating before you go grocery shopping so that you don't buy a bunch of extra stuff because you're hungry. So you're used to all of those tips. My first hack, number 1, has to do with something you can do before you hit the store or even before you finalize your list. It's to open up your cupboards, I think in South Texas we call them cabinets, and your refrigerator, and check to see what you have on hand. And also toss anything in your fridge that's questionable. You already know you're not going to eat it, and it's just taking up valuable space, so get rid of it now. Knowing what you already have is a big part of knowing what you need. It helps you be more intentional in your choices at the store, and in the long run, it will help you to avoid waste. Checking your cabinets and your fridge can also help you plan your meals so you can actually use what you already have. If you do a quick inventory of your kitchen before you hit the grocery store, well, give me a like in the emojis, and let me tell you about hack number 2. Try using a smaller cart if at all possible. Again, it's all about that valuable space. This can help you avoid making impulse purchases because there's less room in the cart. Plus, this helps you keep track of what you've already bought. Do you see a colorful array of healthy foods, or is your cart packed with boxes and bags? On to hack number 3. Remember, the food you tossed from your fridge, did it include any veggies or other produce you didn't get around to using before it went bad? I do it all the time, and I try to be so careful. But when you're shopping for produce, you might actually think you're going to use that giant container of kale, and you probably have great intentions for it, but will you really use it? This hack is to buy only what you really need versus what you aspire to need. So if you always have leftover produce, buy the smaller bag or buy fewer of whatever item it is. Hack number 4. This one is about being an informed buyer. Don't look at the end caps of the aisles. Just motor on by them. That's where the most tempting sales items are located, like potato chips, snack foods, and processed foods. You don't need them. Plus, they probably aren't in line with your fitness or wellness goals. Also, to continue this hack, when you're shopping the aisles, keep in mind that you are being marketed to every single minute you are in the store. The items they want you to buy are on the center shelves, and they're at your eye level. You can usually find less expensive and often healthier options on the shelves above and below your eye level. And finally, hack number 5. This one might be the most effective way ever to stick to your list. It's to pay for your groceries with cash, not your debit card or a check. Plain old-fashioned cash. Paying with cash automatically sets a limit on how much you can buy because you can only spend the amount you have on hand. So this can help you set priorities for which items you choose. All those impulse buys and extras add up fast. Plus, there's something more palpable about actually forking over your hard-earned cash than simply swiping your debit card. It just seems way more real. Well, I hope these hacks help streamline your grocery trip and help you to reach your goals. Also, I have a quick reminder for you about our 21-day longevity and strength program. This is the perfect way to give us a try if you're a man or a woman over 50 years old to see if we are a good fit for each other. We only have a few spots left, so start your health and fitness journey today. And I'll talk to you again real soon.